Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to present you with a glass pen review which is well requested in my comment section. So let's get into it, shall we? As I open the black box, I'm welcomed with a floral spiral design tip. Each pen is made with love and handcrafted and is contained with a unique transparent tip pen. It also comes along with a pen rest which I find quite reliable when I do my work. Here, you can see me placing it. So, the 5 ml ink bottle comes along with different colors which you can choose from whichever color you prefer. And as you guys may or may not know, I'm pretty clumsy and tend to drop my inks quite often. So it comes along with a gasket which helps prevent from leakage. The transparent glass pen is an exquisite gift choice for graduation, birthday, and etc. It is suitable for all kinds of ages and can be used for tracing, sketching, and painting. The dip pen contains different colors of ink, which brings you a romantic, silky feeling to achieve smooth writing. Here, I'm writing in fog calligraphy, which was one of the first forms of calligraphy that I learned when I started with it. So it brings back memories. Thank you so much for listening, and if you found my video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.